All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my game model bat pick one between Yelich and Braun. So we'll check the time, December 9th at 8:53 a.m. We're going to go over to the Raffle and type live. And we have December 9th at 8:53 a.m. There's the list of our 19 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ryan. Spot 6 is your winner. So, Ryan, please get with me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 9th, 8:54 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.